Yo, iPad Focus fam, get ready for a rapid-fire tech takeover. We've got game-changing updates for your Apple Watch workouts. Next up, we're diving into a blast from the past with a vintage Apple keyboard mod that's bringing classic typing into the modern age. Then, get ready for the ultimate AirPods Pro 3 review. Are they really the best AirPods Apple has ever made? We've got the inside scoop. And finally, we're unwrapping a fresh soundscape for your iPhone with 7 brand new ringtones in the latest iOS update. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to iPad Focus, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. iOS 26 is quietly revolutionizing your Apple Watch workouts, and it all starts with a secret update to the fitness app. Previously, creating custom workouts directly on your Apple Watch could be a fiddly process, requiring you to navigate complex menus on the small screen. But now, thanks to this iOS 26 enhancement, you can build intricate, multi-step workouts with precise time, distance, and pace targets right on your iPhone. This new workout tab in the fitness app syncs seamlessly with your Apple Watch, transforming how you plan and execute your training sessions. Whether you're a keen runner looking to perfect your interval training or simply want to organize your fitness routine with pacer modes and race routes, this update makes it significantly easier to prepare your workouts ahead of time and follow them precisely on your wrist. This change is already buzzing in the fitness tech community, with users praising the newfound convenience and control over their workout planning. Analysts note that this integration bridges the gap between dedicated fitness devices and everyday smartwatches, making the Apple Watch an even more powerful tool for serious athletes and casual users alike. Don't adjust your screen, because the next story is a real throwback that's bending technology to its will. Prepare to be amazed as we explore how a vintage 1990s Apple keyboard is getting a modern makeover. Remember the satisfying clack of vintage keyboards? One writer is bringing that nostalgic experience into the 21st century by building a custom AD-Beat USB adapter to use his beloved 1990 Apple extended II keyboard with modern Windows and USB devices. This isn't just about nostalgia. It's about the superior feel of those classic Alps mechanical switches that modern keyboards just can't replicate. He details the entire DIY process, from selecting the right microcontroller and flashing the TMK firmware to the intricate wiring, and even crafting a bespoke wooden enclosure for the adapter. The result is a fully functional, highly configurable keyboard setup that marries retro aesthetics with contemporary connectivity, proving that sometimes the old ways are the best ways. Tech enthusiasts and retro computing fans are buzzing about this project, celebrating the ingenuity and dedication required to bring such a unique setup to life. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of well-crafted hardware and the power of customization. But if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear about the latest evolution in personal audio technology. Get ready for our full verdict on the highly anticipated Apple AirPods Pro 3. Apple has officially launched the AirPods Pro 3, and the reviews are in. These are the best AirPods Apple has ever made. Building on the success of their predecessors, the AirPods Pro 3 boasts significant upgrades that address key user pain points. You'll experience a remarkable leap in active noise cancellation, a more comfortable and secure fit with the addition of XXS ear tips, and vastly improved microphone performance for crystal-clear calls. The battery life has been extended to a massive 8 hours on a single charge, with the case providing up to 24 hours of total listening time, finally banishing battery anxiety for even the longest days. Beyond the core improvements, Apple has packed in innovative features like live translation, powered by Apple Intelligence, which offers real-time language translation directly to your ears, and a built-in heart rate sensor for workout tracking directly from your AirPods, no Apple Watch required. While live translation needs an iPhone 15 Pro or newer, the heart rate sensor offers a new dimension for fitness enthusiasts. The tech community is abuzz with excitement, particularly praising the enhanced ANC and call quality, with many declaring them a worthy upgrade even for users of the Pro 2. And speaking of Apple's iconic sounds, we're not done with iOS 26 just yet. Prepare your ears for a sonic refresh as we unveil the brand new ringtones Apple has added to your iPhone. Apple continues its tradition of sonic evolution with iOS 26, introducing 7 brand new ringtones that offer fresh auditory experiences for your iPhone. Building upon the legacy of iconic tones like reflection, first introduced with the iPhone X, these new options provide subtle yet distinct variations. You can now choose from buoyant, dreamer, pond, pop, reflected, and surge, which offer different moods and energies while retaining the familiar character of the original reflection melody. In addition to these variations, Apple has also added a completely new ringtone called Little Bird, expanding the sound palette available to users. This update has generated a positive buzz among iPhone users who appreciate these small but meaningful enhancements to their device's personalization options. It's a reminder of how Apple integrates subtle design changes that contribute to the overall user experience, making even everyday notifications feel fresh and engaging. That's all the news for today, but we've got a lightning round recap coming right up. Don't go anywhere, your final update is just moments away. All right, tech fans, let's do a quick recap. iOS 26 is supercharging your Apple Watch workouts with new planning tools on iPhone. We saw a genius DIY project bring a 1990s Apple keyboard back to life with a custom USB adapter. The brand new Apple AirPods Pro 3 have landed, and they are seriously impressive with better ANC, battery, and new features like live translation. And finally, iOS 26 is spicing up your notifications with 7 new iPhone ringtones, including variations of the classic Reflection and a new Little Bird tune. That's all for this episode of iPad Focus. If you loved this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content, and ring the notification bell so you're the first to know when we drop our next video. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms for behind-the-scenes looks and more. Until next time, stay tech-savvy.